Hey friends, so today we're going to be having a look at the Mi Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6. So the Huawei Band 6 actually has a lot in common with the Honor Band 6, and I have already done a video about the Mi Band 6 and the Honor Band 6 on the channel, so you guys can check that out. I'm going to drop a link down in the description, and I'm also going to drop an iCard so you guys can check that out. So first of all, let's have a look at the Honor Band 6. So the Honor Band 6, like I said, is more like a copy of the Huawei Band 6 is more like a copy of the Honor Band 6. So they do look quite similar, and so I do get them mixed up quite a lot. For example, this is the Honor Band 6 and this is the Huawei Band 6. If you look at the both of them, they do have similar builds, just different qualities. So actually for me, the Huawei Band 6 does look more premium compared to the Honor Band 6, and I really like the way the screen is. The screen does look quite big, somewhere between an hybrid of a smart band and a smartwatch. So first of all, let's look at the design. It does come with interchangeable rubber straps. You can change this to any type of straps you want. You can change it to different colors as well. You can pick them up from any online store like AliExpress or Amazon. So let's look at some of the features and some of the navigations that we get with the Huawei Band 6. So with the Huawei Band 6, once you swipe from up going down, you do get your widgets. You get your widgets for the silent mode. You also get your alarm, and you also get some basic information like the Bluetooth, the date, and the battery percentage. Once you swipe up, you get your notifications for your messages. One thing I do enjoy about the Huawei Band 6 compared to the Mi Band 6 when it comes to notifications is that they do appear quite bigger than the Mi Band 6. That's the Huawei Band 6. So that is something that I really enjoy. So once you swipe to one side, you get your heart rate monitor. You also get your weather report. You can also get your Alipay. As this is the Chinese version, I do have Alipay in this version. Once you swipe on the other side, you get your activity ring for the activities that you have done throughout the day. Once you swipe back, you go back to your home screen. So the watch face is something that I really like. The watch face is quite easy to change. You just need to hold down on the device and you swipe to change the watch face to different watch faces that you like. So something about this watch face is the fact that this watch face can also be changed to a customizable watch face, which means you can use whatever picture or whatever design that you like that is personal to you. You can use that in this device. So once you click on the side, it takes you to the application menu. So in the application menu, you have your workout mode. So in the workout mode, this does says it has 69 different workout modes. So the secrets to the 69 workout modes is the workout modes that you have on the surface of it is the one you see regularly, like the indoor run, the outdoor walk, indoor walk. But once you want to add more workout modes to this, you just go to the widgets. So within the widget application, you can add different workout modes to the workout modes that you already have. So that is something that is quite convenient when you think about the Huawei Band 6. As it is a fitness band, it's important to have different workout modes that you can do throughout the day. So for the workout records is similar to the workout history. It's just the workout that you have done throughout the week or throughout the month, depending on how frequently or how often you work out. There's also a heart rate monitor and a blood oxygen monitor. I have done some videos comparing the blood oxygen monitor of the Huawei Band and the Mi Band, and also comparing them with an oximeter to show their accuracy as well. So you have the activity records, your sleep tracking, you also have your stress tracking, the breathing exercise, the notifications, your weather report, Alipay, stopwatch, timer. So just basic applications that you would use regularly during the day. So that's what you have for the Huawei Band 6. So for the Mi Band 6 is a little bit similar when you come to think of it. Once you hold down on the home screen itself, you can change the watch face to whatever watch face that you like. Either it's a customizable watch face or it's an individual watch face, depending on whatever you like or whatever you want to change it to. When you swipe to the side, you get your weather report, you get your music player, you also get the Alipay, you also can go back to your watch face. So one unique difference between this and the Huawei Band 6 is once you swipe down or you swipe up, it doesn't take you to notifications or application widgets. Instead, it takes you straight to your application list. So with the application list, we have almost basically the same application with just some differences there. We get your status, we get your Pi, we get the heart rate monitoring system, as well as the blood oxygen monitoring system. We also have notifications, and we also have different workout modes. So the workout modes in the Mi Band 6 is almost the same as that in the Huawei Band 6. They do have lots of workout modes that you can choose from. You have the basic ones on the list, and once you click more, you are able to add more workout modes between the both of them. So once you swipe back out, you get your workout history, which is the same thing as the workout records on the Huawei Band 6. You also have your stress monitoring system, your breathing exercise, the events, alarm, weather, Alipay, your music, your clock, your settings, and you have more. So talking about the both of them, personally speaking, I really enjoy the screen of the Huawei Band 6 compared to that of the Honor Band 6. Although for me, the colors that come out of the Honor Band, of the Mi Band 6 is something that is really nice. It looks really extremely clear and extremely nice. So one thing I would say when choosing between the both of them is, if you are someone that is more about the design, more about the looks of the device, then I would definitely recommend that you choose the Huawei Band 6, because the design of the Huawei Band 6 is definitely really nice and looks extremely modern. But if you're someone that is more about the functionality and the applications and the things that you can do with your device, then I would advise that you choose the Mi Band 6. This is just my own personal advice based on how I've used the both of them and what I enjoy using in the both of them. You can choose any one depending on how you want, or whichever one you feel is more comfortable for you, or whichever one you feel is better for you to use. But in terms of the budget watch bands, smart bands, and fitness bands, the Huawei Band 6 and the Mi Band 6 are definitely ahead of the rest of them. I do also have the Oppo Band, and for me, the Oppo Band doesn't compare with the clarity and the design of these two devices. The design, the clarity, and just how they look and how they feel in general is something that I really enjoy. So my recommendation is, for the design and the looks, the build quality, then choose the Huawei Band 6. For the functionality and everything else that goes with it, then you should definitely choose the Mi Band 6. So this is just my little comparison of the Mi Band 6 and the Huawei Band 6. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.